Coalition of South Florida and Miami Homes for All are partnering together to bring together leaders across Miami-Dade County, from the health leadership to community-based organizations to developers to municipal leaders, to really have some innovative and interesting conversations about ways that we can work together to solve the affordable housing crisis here in Miami-Dade County.
I think what people don't know is that the health sector and the community development and housing sector in other communities is actively partnering. And the health sector is making all kinds of different investments, either financial investments, or also just investments of leadership. An event like this, I think, really is helpful to inspire and help people kind of think outside of the box. We've brought down from other places around the country experts and people with experience in those kinds of health and housing partnerships that we really haven't seen yet in the state of Florida.
Because I think all the players are in the room, and you got to keep everybody in the room in order to find solutions. We have found solutions to homelessness because everybody's been at the table for 33 years. We need to keep people at the table.
Events like this are super important to really ground us in what's happening in our community around housing, to help us understand how housing is connected to health, to ensure that people understand how detrimental lack of housing, inaccessible housing, poor housing can be to your health.
And I really believe that there's a better business model that we're trying to uncover where you can improve health by providing high quality medical care, but also investing in neighborhoods to improve health. And we think that organizations like the Health Foundation here have really sort of see the value of that sort of two-pronged approach.
Without these meaningful partnerships, we won't advance change for our county, particularly where housing and health intersect.
It's huge because housing isn't just a building where someone lives, right? Housing is part of an ecosystem. Everybody who's part of the community needs to be part of thinking about how do we provide housing for everyone. And especially here, where we have so much income inequity, we have, $10 zillion houses, and then we have people who aren't making $9,000 a year.
I do think if we come together as health systems, community development, we can make a huge difference. You start to build partnerships, you start to think about aligning goals and funding streams, and to me that catalyzing is really the critical ingredient.